How do you add logo in your Instagram Reels? Let me show you how I like to do it. So let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, of course, before I publish my Reels on Instagram, I like to have them fully edited and ready for the upload, right? So I like to use a video editor, which is called CapCut. Obviously, there are more ways how you can use it. I also like the LumaFusion, but CapCut is free for the most part. It has some paid features, whatever. Let me show you that one. So you get inside like so and make sure that you have your clips imported into the timeline. You know, you can create the effects or, trim everything however you want. But in order to add the logo, I'm going to click on the plus button at the end, and don't bring in here the videos, but instead it's going to be the photos, and it should be that I have the logo ready, right? And ideally it should be in the PNG format of the photo, so the background can be removed. So I can just import it like so. The video, the logo will be show up right at the end of it. So that's fine, whatever. But I'm gonna make sure that it's gonna sit on the top of my videos, right? So it's somewhere in the corner. So I have to select it like so, scroll through the options and click on the overlay feature, which are these crossed arrows icon. Now I can drag it all the way to the left, to the beginning, and make sure that it stretches across the whole thing like so, right? So I can make sure that it lasts till the end of the clip, so the whole duration is covered with the logo. Right now, I can as well just make it smaller, put it in one of the corners or whatever I want, right? I can rotate it and, move it around as perform any edits I want. One more thing which is interesting about this is that a lot of people want to just dial down the opacity. Sometimes it adds a nice effect. So make sure you have the thing selected, and also you can scroll through the options and find opacity. So you can lower it down and perhaps it's going to give a nicer effect. But that's how you can do it. Of course, don't forget to export your video, set up the settings for export properly, and then you'll be able to upload the reel to the Instagram, Facebook, wherever. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.